Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video would tell you about the career guidance call that you can book with us. So many of the IT professionals, especially the software testers, developers, they are telling that they are not getting calls and they are feeling stuck in your career, or you're unable to crack the interviews, or you don't know in the market which are the skills in demand. If you're looking for any roadmap, or if you have any career gaps, or if you're having some kind of break in your career, so you can book a call with us on the top mate. We would be happy to assist you. It would be a 30 minutes of call, and you can book as per your convenience. And I would really appreciate if you can share your CV also. So that would give us an insight of what kind of background you have, and what kind of further skill set, or what kind of questions or queries you have. So you will, at the time of booking, you will get a description comment as well that you can put, and hence you can book a call for the career guidance. So it becomes easy for us also to assist you accordingly. Now, there are multiple things that you might be facing issues with. You might be facing issues with resume direction, or your resume is not getting shortlisted, your Naukri profile is not getting shortlisted. So all of those things, we would be assisting you. We would help you with the automation roadmap, what to learn, what to skip, interview preparation strategy, and the honest guidance that I can give it to you from your experience perspective would be shared with you. So would tell you, you can book this call, and definitely it would help you a lot. It would assist you a lot. You might feel that I might be selling this kind of services, but it's not like that. I want to help the IT professionals. I want to assist them in getting a job. That is why we are coming up with these kind of calls. Now, apart from that, let me share a few quick details about the referral job opportunities from the companies. So, Cognizant is hiring for multiple automation testing roles, and they're hiring for automation test engineer, 4 to 6 years of experience. Right. So, I think screen sharing is not happening. Okay. So, Cognizant is currently hiring for multiple automation testing across experience roles. So they are looking for automation test engineer, 4 to 6 years. Skill set is Selenium, Java, Python, API testing, Cucumber framework. Location is Chennai. And another requirement is for the automation lead, 7 to 10 years of experience. Skill set is Java, Selenium. Location is again Chennai. Then Cypress testing, skill set is again Cypress, Java, JavaScript, TypeScript, Python, and location is Chennai. Performance testing, tools like JMeter, LoadRunner, NeoLoad, location is Pan India. So if you're interested, you can share your updated resume to this email address. And if you have been referred to Cognizant in the last 6 months, so you don't have to share your CV again. Then there's a requirement for a remote job opportunity, manual QA analyst, and it is totally remote. So Latent is looking for manual QA testers with strong experience in the field of software testing and quality assurance. Key skills are manual testing, functional regression, and usability. API testing, Postman, cross-browser testing, browser stack or similar, SQL and database testing. So you can send your resume to this email address. Then there's a requirement for QA lead, and the location is Lucknow or Hyderabad. And this is the email address where you can share your CV, and there's a contact number also provided. Right. So they are looking for an experienced QA lead with 4 to 8 years of experience who can take ownership of quality assurance across projects and lead end-to-end QA initiatives. So they are looking for strong expertise in software testing fundamentals, SDLC, STLC, test planning, execution, hands-on experience in manual and automation testing, including API, regression, and UAD, proficiency with defect tracking tools like Jira, solid understanding of Agile Scrum practices. So you can apply for this particular position. Then there are other opportunities also. So let me share those details. Uh, right. So Mindcrew company is hiring for QA manual tester. So this is a Mindcrew company which is hiring for QA manual tester. We'll share all the details with you in the first comment of the video itself. And they are looking for QA manual tester with requirements 1 to 2 years of experience, familiarity with AI testing tools, good communication is mandatory. Preference is candidate located in Indore, and you can send your resume to this particular email address, and this is a contact number where you can reach out to. right? So these are the opportunities in which you can apply for the jobs. Apart from that, so HCL Technologies is also hiring. So let me share those details. So this details you can apply from the careers page itself, right? So HCL Technologies, they are hiring for graduate engineer trainees batch 2025, and they are looking for someone who has got degree in BE, BTech, MCA, MSc. Graduation passing year is 2025. Designation offered is graduate engineer trainee. CTC offered as per the standard HCL Tech rate applicable, and it's a service agreement for 12 months. So what you have to do is you have to go to the HCL Technologies career page and you have to apply over there. You will get the link. It is for the graduates, it is for the freshers. So apply from the careers portal website itself. It would assist you. It would give you all the kind of forms, all the kind of link from there itself. That is why we are not putting any links for this particular company. You can directly apply from that company, from that particular website, right? So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates.